Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. I just finished building this beautiful 331 Ford stroker engine for our customer's 1967 Mustang. I'll go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 331 Ford stroker engine, double roller timing chain in there, power force pistons. You have the roller lifter camshaft, edelbrock American made aluminum heads, proper oil pan for the 67 Mustang, front sump oil pan. Put the oil pressure extension on for the customer, high flow fuel pump. All the customer wanted the black braided fuel lines. Put that on there, the Russell AN gas filter all set up, ready to go. Distributors dropped into place. All the Taylor American made wires on there, all the wire markers all set. MSD ignition coil. You have the quick fuel carburetor on there. These real nice Ford Racing red valve covers with the Ford Mustang black air cleaner. You have the clutch bracket on there for the customer's 67 Mustang. You have the Ford Racing billet steel flywheel, proper tooth count and balance. Pilot bearings installed. PCV valve, braided black PC ventilation hose. All the manifold vacuum fittings are all hooked up. Fuel lines all set. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature. Timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, all done. Photos of the entire engine build will be sent to you. So there you have it. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.